my name is Brandon DeLita, and I'm a regional sales manager for the South U.S. for MultiTech Systems. And today, we're going to talk about a very important topic in the market, is AT&T and Verizon's 2G and 3G sunset. In addition to that, we're going to talk about some of the new technologies that are out there as far as LPWA that the carriers are providing, what to do about replacing your existing 2G, 3G devices, and then kind of going over some of the broad LTE product portfolio that Multitech has to offer today. Multitech was originally formed in 1970, and since our inception, we've been making industrial communications equipment. We've got over 25 million devices deployed worldwide. Our U.S. headquarters is based in Mounds View, Minnesota, which is just north of the Twin Cities, where we do all our manufacturing, engineering, sales, procurement, and accounting take place. And we want to be your go-to partner for your connected strategy. In addition to that, we have the ability to provide design and certification services through our subsidiary, Connected Development, which is based in Cary, North Carolina. The networks are migrating from 2G to 3G to LTE and planning on retiring their older networks. Multitech has a broad portfolio of LTE devices to help you through this transition. So the question is, how long are the LTE networks going to be around? Well, let's take a look back a little bit. With 1G, 2G, and the 3G networks, they've had an average lifespan of about 18 to 19 years. And that also brings up a good point. Some of these networks are sunsetting. We saw AT&T and their GPRS 2G sunset at the end of 2016. We know that Verizon is starting to happen. In June of this year, there's going to be no more activations on 1XRTT and EVDO devices. And at the end of this year, December 31st, 2018, AT&T is going to no longer accept new activations on 3G HSPA Plus devices. So it's really important right now that we consider a transition plan for those devices into the field and getting them onto LTE. So one of the complexities with LTE, it wasn't a very well harmonized technology like HSPA Plus. With that technology, you're able to do one SKU and deploy it globally. Well, LTE is very fragmented. As you can see here, there are 43 frequency bands across the globe, and those are going to change by region and by country. Unlike smartphones, machines have different requirements that are deployed out in the field. They need longer battery life, they use lower power, they need lower data throughputs. And so to compete with some of the unlicensed spectrum that's out there today, the cellular carriers are releasing new technologies like LTE Cat M1 and narrowband IoT. Let's take a quick comparison at the communications technologies. We've got LTE Cat 1, Cat M1, and narrowband IoT. So real quick, Cat 1 has a max data rate of 10 megabits down and 5 megabits up. LTE Cat M1 has throughputs of 380 kilobits up and down. Let's do a quick review of some of Multitech's LTE Category 1 and Category 3 products. To be clear, we don't do everything, but for over 45 years, we have fostered relationships with key industry players in the four main components of a communications technology ecosystem. That's hardware, software, services, and certifications. But what we do best is hardware. We manufacture intelligent gateways, routers, and modems, pre-certified embedded modems, and then we also offer certification and design services through Connected Development. In addition to our current LTE Category 1 and Category 3 devices, we're currently releasing and in development with a broad portfolio of Category M1 and narrowband IoT solutions, from embedded products to serial and USB modems to industrial-grade routers. I think it's important to take a deeper dive into our embedded certification story. Kind of to give you an example of what we do with our embedded products is we take a module from a supplier and we integrate that into a subsystem that we either call the socket modem or for new designs, the Dragonfly or Dragonfly Nano. When we do that, we get that certified with the carriers as an end device. That means that when you design in our products and go to market, you do not have to do the RF approvals for FCC, PTCRB, or carrier certifications. This could save you anywhere from $28,000 to $87,000 and could get you to market quicker by 4 to 10 months designing in a pre-certified embedded modem versus a module. We want to thank you for your time. And if you have additional questions, please visit us at our website at multitech.com.